Today we will learn how to manage and process orders directly from the Summary Snapshot. Once we've logged on to the secure site and navigated to the Transcript Services Summary Snapshot, just click the hyperlink next to the category of orders you wish to view. Here we will view new requests for rush processing by clicking the associated hyperlink. This causes orders to be displayed in a table at the bottom of the screen. We have several options to view, manage, and process orders. From here you can do the following. Change column views to quickly show things like student ID or other information. Download orders into an Excel spreadsheet that contains detailed order information, labels, and order summary. Reorder any columns and sort in ascending or descending order. Quickly view any attachments or special instructions added, and click on the student name or order number to see the detailed order information. Let's move orders from New Request into In Process. This is not a required step, but it does allow students to track their order and confirm it has been received by the institution. To move an order into In Process, we can either update the status in the detailed order information page, or by clicking the drop-down menu under Action to Take/Status. We can also move all of the orders into In Process by simply clicking on Select All on Page as In Process. Clicking on Apply Changes will successfully move orders from New Requests into In Process. However, applying changes does not automatically refresh the Summary Snapshot. To see updated numbers or to see any new rush orders that may have come in, simply click Refresh Snapshot. This will refresh the entire summary and display updated numbers. Our 3 existing new rush requests have now been moved into In Process, and 1 new rush processing order has come in while we were processing the others. For more detailed information, please review the User's Guide online or view our other available tutorials.